Well, hello YouTube. Fire up the old Singer. Start adding up. Looks like we have a dead 3 key. Now let's look into it. This calculator uses magnetic reed switches, otherwise known as Hall effect switches. And you can see here, when I press a key, it actually raises a small magnet and activates the switch. Well, this is the number 3. Hear the switch clicking, and I can actually see the contact moving. So let me find something here. Make sure it actually is the switch and not something else wrong with the calculator. But I'm just going to jumper this switch here. Oh, well, we got a lot of 3s there, that's for sure. Let's clear that out. Wrong key. Clear, just make sure here. Okay, yeah. Nothing wrong with the calculator, it's the switch. I have some dry contact reed switches, or should I say rees switches. I went ahead and formed the leads on our new reed switch, and I'm now going to go ahead and tin them. Whoops. This time I was a little bit more successful, and let's test it out to see if it works first, to make sure we have our alignment correct. Okay, that sounds like it works, so let's get these off of here. And let's solder it in place. Okay. 1, 2. No, that's not right. 1, 2. This track that's carried around here is our track that runs number 3, which is that reed switch. And while I was soldering, I accidentally put a little bit too much on here on this pad, which is our number 2 key, or number 3 key. This is number 2. That track runs number 2. I bridged that to 3. So as we're activating this switch, instead of it keying in a 2, it's keying in a 3. So let's see if I can get some of that solder off of there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Looks like we fixed it. Let's button it back up and make sure it still works. That looks good. 3, 9. It works. 2 times 3. 2 plus 3. 2 minus 3. Well, no. 2 plus 3 minus. We've got a negative up here. Minus 1. Looks like we're golden. Thanks for watching.